Good afternoon, everyone. Just wanted to do a quick severe weather update. We have had a huge upgrade across parts of the area here, including southern Illinois into southern Indiana, southwestern parts of Ohio, and sneaking across the river here into Kentucky. And we're talking about possibly some significant tornadoes possible, significant hail, and significant straight line winds as well. So let's get into some of the risks here. Enhanced risk, like I said, this has been upgraded. Enhanced risk for Cincinnati, Ohio, Louisville, Kentucky, up towards Chicago, right around the Chicago area as well. Dayton, Ohio, basically along the Ohio River here, all the way down towards just south of St. Louis here. Enhanced risk now for severe thunderstorms. All right. Yellow, slight risk is a level 2 for especially Chicago, Detroit, Indianapolis, over towards Columbus, Milwaukee, just south of St. Louis, far southern, south central, southeastern Missouri, far north central and northeastern Arkansas is under a slight risk as of this is updated around 10:30 this morning. So this is the newest update from the Storm Prediction Center. This marginal risk is now creeping down into Arkansas, into parts of Tennessee now, northwestern parts of Tennessee, basically St. Louis, Missouri, Springfield, Missouri, Springfield, Illinois, Clarksville, Tennessee, Charleston, West Virginia, just a few places. And I'll tell you, today it is absolutely hot out there. We have a lot of places approaching probably 90 degrees today, and there's going to be a 30 to 50 degree temperature drop with this front, maybe even a close to 60 degree temperature drop with this front as it comes through, and some significant storms are possible as well. So let's go over the risk really quick with you. All right, let's take a look at the tornado probabilities here. This is a big upgrade from what we had yesterday when I showed you this. So this hatched area here, significant severe weather possible, significant tornadoes are possible across this area. The hatched area, greater or equal to at least a 10% probability of a significant tornado, EF2 to EF5, significant tornadoes are possible in those hatched areas. Louisville down to right around Paducah, right around Cincinnati, southern Indiana, southern Illinois, far eastern parts of Missouri as well. So 10 to 14% chance of seeing a probability or of a tornado within 25 miles of any given point. You get into the brown areas here, 5 to 9% chance. And then you get over towards the green, which now includes parts of northern Arkansas into south central Missouri. We're talking 2 to 4% chance of seeing a tornado within 25 miles of any given point. All right, here is the severe wind outlook for the area here, including parts, like I said, right around the Ohio River from Cincinnati, Louisville, Paducah. This is significant wind gusts in the hatched areas. Wind gusts, significant wind gusts, greater or equal to 74 miles per hour is possible in the hatched areas. This is hurricane force winds possible across this area later today and this afternoon. We're going to get into the radar here in just a second, future radar. So just bear with me here. We're going to go over the hail threat too. There's going to be significant hail. All right, significant hail. Hatched areas greater than 2 inches, greater or equal to 2 inches of diameter, which is basically hen eggs or higher. You get up to hen eggs is 2 inches. We get up to 2.5 inches. That's baseball size. So anywhere in the hatched areas here could get some big hail later this afternoon into tonight. Okay, so let's go over future radar really quickly, and then I'll have another big update probably tonight regarding the severe weather. Alrighty, here is the latest HRRR. The 18Z is just now coming out, but here's the 17Z HRRR. This is at 8 o'clock tonight. See storms starting to fire across southern Missouri, just south of St. Louis. I think there's going to be a little bit more coverage than this, but you can see there's some supercells trying to get their act together over here into Indiana. Then as we get towards 9 o'clock, get over towards southern Illinois, got some big storms up here towards Indiana, eastern Indiana, and then storms still trying to fire up across southern Missouri here. And then as we go towards 10, 11 o'clock tonight, storms continue to fire all the way up into Michigan, into Ohio, just across southern Indiana into southern Illinois. And then as we get going here, this is 2 o'clock in the morning. Like I said, I think there's going to be more coverage than what this is depicting, but some nice broken line of storms here across parts of southern Indiana, getting into Kentucky now. This is including the Paducah area. If I can zoom in here, Paducah area over towards Cape Girardeau, Sikeston, Missouri, up here towards Owensboro as well, Evansville. So that's just a few areas it'll be late tonight and early tomorrow morning. So you guys need to have a way to get warnings, especially across the area where there's going to be some significant tornadoes possible across southern Indiana, southern Illinois, into eastern Missouri, and into parts of northern and northwestern parts of Kentucky. So you guys got to have a way to get warnings here, because this is going to happen mostly overnight. 3 o'clock in the morning, big storms are really starting to erupt here across northwestern parts of Tennessee, parts of the Boot Heel of Missouri into northeastern Arkansas. And then as we go forward, this is 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, still some storms around in Kentucky. This only goes out to 5 o'clock in the morning. We'll have another update later tonight, but here's the time. Here's basically the timing: late this evening in through the overnight hours. So you've got to have a way to get warnings as we go in through tonight to wake you up. Like I said, significant tornadoes is possible, especially into Kentucky, southern Indiana, parts of southwestern Ohio, southern Illinois, and far eastern Missouri, southeastern Missouri. Big threat there. Big hail in excess of 2 inches in diameter. Of course, that's hen eggs to possibly baseball size, and then straight line winds in excess of 74 miles per hour is possible across parts of Kentucky, down into Missouri, and then into parts of Indiana and southern Illinois. Stay weather aware. Just want to give you a quick update this afternoon. Like I said, stay weather aware. Have a way to get warnings. We'll have another update here this evening. Have a great day, everyone.